welcome back to my channel! In this video, I will play a wonderful song called My Sweet Lullaby, composed by Razon Sobre Juanite. Let's get started! Welcome to Ysabel's Adventures! The strumming pattern for this song is thumb down down, TDD, or the sway strum. That's what I got on lesson 6 in my ukulele class. And the chords of this song is C, F, and G. C is like this. It's just your third finger on the first string at third fret. And the F is like this. First finger at first fret, second string, and your middle finger at the fourth string, second fret. And the G, the one that I didn't get through in You Are My Sunshine before when I was studying, is this. It's hard to explain, but it's your first finger, index finger on the third string, and then your middle finger on the first string at second fret. At the third fret is your ring finger at the second string. And that's all the chords. Here we go. Salamat po sa Diyos. I hope that you like it. Please subscribe. Click the bell button to be notified on my next video. Click the video boxes for more lovely videos and comment down what other songs you like me to play on my next video. Shout out to the Jensen Pagriwanite. He's the one who composed this song to make the lyrics. And also shout out to Brother Raymond. My daddy has the same name. I'm not talking about my daddy. I'm talking about my teacher in ukulele class. Teacher Raymond Guillermo. He put the chords and I learned so much. Wow. I didn't do a lot, but with God's help, I made it. Awat tulong. And now, bye!
Wow!